Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Isaac, and on today's video we're going to talk about break and retest strategy. Let's jump right into the video.
So let's talk about break and retest method. So what is a break and retest? Let's start with an uptrend. So on an uptrend, we have basically a high and then a low. So a break and retest method is whereby this high is being broken, right? Whereby this resistance is being broken and then retested. So this is the break of the high, this is the retest, and then the continuation of the trend. On a downtrend, we also have a low, right? That is a support, and then a break of this low with a pullback. So the pullback is basically the retest. So we have a break and then a retest before the continuation of the trend. So let's look at this on the chart. Before we start with this strategy, we need to build a systematic approach around this, right? So first of all, the first thing we need to do is to identify the trend, right? So you can clearly see that the market is actually trending to the upside. So on an uptrend, what we need is the highest level to be broken, right? That is the resistance, right? So right here, this is our area of value, right? So we have our area of value right here. For us to take an entry, we want a break and retest of this area, right? So let's fast forward this and see how we can actually trade. So we have a breakout right here, we are waiting for a retest, and you can see this is the retest, right? So this is where we are actually going to take our entry. This is our area of value. This is where we're going to take our entry. That is the break of the resistance, retesting our support, right? So right here you can see the market actually trading to the upside, right? So right here we have our new high, which is broken. So this was our new high, we just got broken, right? This was our previous high, we broke this high, retested. Now we have a new high in the market which actually got broken right now. So we are also waiting for a retest, right? So we have a breakout, and then this is actually the retest, right? So we have a breakout and a retest. This is going to be our area of value, right? So right here we are expecting the market to actually go up. So this is the breakout and the retest. This is our new highest level, right? So let's see if the market is actually going to break out. So we have a breakout right here. We are waiting for a possible pullback to this area, right? So this becomes our area of value. This is where we are looking to take an entry once we have this pullback, right? So right here we can see that the market just came back to our area of value, and this is where we're going to get our entry, right? So we're going to get our entry right here and expect the market to actually go up. So now, where is our next highest high? This is our newest highest high in the market, right? So for another entry, we want to wait for the breakout of this one and then a retest. So let's see how the market is actually going to play out. We have a breakout and then a retest. So this is where we are actually going to take our entry, right, and expect the market to also continue going up. So this is another example on a downtrend. First thing that we need to do is to identify the trend, and we can clearly see that this is a downtrend, right? So if it's a downtrend, then what we are waiting for is for the lowest low, right, the support to be broken. So we want this lowest low to be broken and then retested. That is where we're going to look for our entry, right? So we want this area of value, right? So looking at this chart, we can see clearly that this is our lowest low, right? So if we put our area of value right here, this is where we are actually looking forward to take an entry. So what we are expecting is a break and then a possible retest, and then we go short, right? So let's take a look at how it's going to play out. So we have a breakout and then a possible retest right here, right? So this is going to be our area of value. This is where we are looking to take our entry, right? So let's fast forward. So right here, this is going to be our entry level, right? So we're going to enter the market right here. So now we have our newest lowest level in the market, right? So this is going to be our lowest level. We are waiting for a break and retest so that we can take an entry right here. So let's see how the market is going to play out. We have a breakout. We are waiting for a possible retest of this area of value, right? So let's see. we have a retest, and this is where we're going to take our entry, right? So we have a breakout, retest, and then going to the downside. So now let's identify our new lowest level. This is going to be our newest lowest level in the market, right? So we have our new area of value. We want a breakout, retest, and then we take an entry. So let's see, we have a breakout waiting for a possible retest, and then we're gonna go short, right? So you can see right here we had our retest right here. So we're gonna enter the market right here, and then we have our possible short. So this is the break and retest strategy that we can actually implement in the market, right, to stay profitable.
Okay, so I hope you got some valuable knowledge from this lesson. Catch you in the next one. Peace.